Hi everyone, I'm James and I'm back to talk about my topics for the informative and persuasive speeches. For the informative speech, I've chosen medicine as my topic. The reason I chose medicine is because my goal is to become a physician one day, and that's the path I'm currently on in my undergraduate education. I believe that God has called me into the medical field to work as a doctor, and so I want to talk about that. My general purpose is to inform my audience about a vocation as a physician. Now, I don't think I need to tell anyone what exactly a doctor is or what exactly a doctor does. We all grow up and have experiences going to the doctor. It's a common vocation, so a lot of people, have a basic understanding about it. In addition, there are a lot of movies and books out there that talk about medicine, and many popular TV shows depict doctors as the main characters. However, with that has come many misconceptions about what a doctor is and what a doctor truly does. So, my specific purpose in my speech is to inform my audience about the type of person it takes to become a doctor. A person who thinks scientifically, has a passion for helping people in their most difficult times, and has a fervent desire to uphold ethics and be compassionate, has the makings of a great physician. This means a lot to me because medicine is a huge passion of mine, and I've spent a lot of time working with and shadowing physicians. I'm certainly not an expert in the field, but I've gained some insight into this career through those experiences. I want to inform my audience about what the art of practicing medicine truly is so that we can advocate for it. And I also wish to inspire anyone pursuing a career in medicine to enter that field for the right reasons. We need to preserve the art of treating patients with compassion and looking out for their mental and spiritual well being, too. For my persuasive speech, I've chosen to talk about drug addiction. Drug addiction is a problem that means a lot to me because I have family and numerous friends who have been or are currently addicted to drugs. These things tear apart families and friendships, and they ruin lives. The problem in the United States is only getting worse. As a general goal, I want to persuade my audience that drug addiction is a problem that needs to be resolved. Many of the commonly abused drugs today are not as harmful or addictive as, say, cocaine or heroin, so a misconception has arisen that you're not truly addicted to it even if you're using it, or it's not really bad for you. There are some blurry lines between what addiction really is and even what a drug is, but oftentimes when people use that, when people point that out, it's just to justify their usage of it. Meanwhile, they're not really looking out for their own health at all. They're not concerned about what they need to be. So for my specific goal with this persuasive speech, I want to persuade my audience to embrace a solution for drug addiction that involves advocating a deeper concern for mental, physical, and spiritual health. These are the things we need to be focusing on with the topic of drug addiction. My thesis is that drug addiction is a problem whose remedy involves a deeper appreciation for help and a deeper appreciation for faith in God. So, yeah, those are my topics for the informative and persuasive speeches. Thank you guys for listening. Look forward to your feedback and also seeing your videos as well.